color.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern San Bernardino County in Southern California, southeastern Inyo County in South Central California, west central Clark County in Southern Nevada until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northwest of Mountain Pass, Oregon, 20 miles west of Rim, moving northeast at 20 miles per 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: impact. Expect damage to this country. Locations impacted include Valley and Central California, west central Clark County, southern. Per hour. 60 miles per hour wind. Interstate 15 in California between mile markers.
This town feels Italian, with soft orange buildings, steep narrow streets, and its pastel harbor. When the original ancient port was overtaken by pirates, its villagers fled into the hills. Later, in the 13th century, the king wanted to re-inhabit and therefore strengthen his coastline. To encourage the
substance, defined as having a lower potential for abuse.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Clark County in southern Nevada until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located 7 miles southeast of Jean, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and hail up to dime size. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect areas of blowing dust, possible tree damage, and down power lines. Locations impacted include Jean and Prim. This includes the following roads: Interstate 15 in Nevada between mile markers 1 and 25. Highway 95 in Clark County between mile markers 43 and 53. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Stay the same, but
be replaced, you know, and lives can't.
Seawater from Idalia's storms
issued at 7:02 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a dust storm warning for northeastern Pima County in southeastern Arizona, southwestern Pinal County in southeastern Arizona until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:02 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a dust channel was near Picacho Peak State Park, or 15 miles northwest of Morena, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source, detected by National Weather Service meteorologists. Impact, dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 between mile markers 206 and 231. Route 87 between mile markers 116 and 124. Locations impacted include Eloy, Avra Valley, Picacho, Cuichu, Picacho Peak State Park, Red Rock, Jackrabbit, Shopishk, East Cuichu, and Silver Bell. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Strong to severe thunderstorms are also possible behind this dust channel. Keep updated with this quickly evolving situation. Repeating, a dust storm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: southeast Pinal and western Pima.
Almost 150 people.
Fortunately, we have not had the same type of loss of life that we've had with something like a Hurricane Ian. Part of that is because people really made good decisions.
Miles southeast of Kaka, moving north at 35 miles. Moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 8 between mile markers 149 and 178. Plus Highway 60 between mile markers 210 and 219. Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 123 and 161. Arizona Route 238 between mile markers 42 and 44. Arizona Route 79 between mile markers 129 and 150. Arizona Route 347 between mile markers 161 and 184. This includes Arizona Interstate 10 between 168 and 204. Locations impacted include Chandler, Casa Grande, Florence, Coolidge, Sun Lakes, Maricopa, Queen Creek, Arizona City, La Palma, Santan Valley, Seville, Florence Junction, Queen Valley, Bat Pool, and Olberg. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Lead to dangerous driving. Avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake.
Sometimes happens to Mitch.
The National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Pima County in southeastern Arizona, southwestern Pinal County in southeastern Arizona until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:09 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Arizona City, Oregon, 17 miles south of Casa Grande, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eloy, Petacho, Cuichu, Petacho Peak State Park, Cockleburg, North Cook, Cohawk, Jackrabbit, Shopish, and East Cuichu. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: southeast Panal and western Pima.
We'll do our best to ensure that we act diligently in investigating the fire and equally in our pursuit to reclaim the hijacked and illegally occupied buildings in the city.
As the search continues, authorities warn that the death toll could go higher still. A fire at a small clothing factory.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: in Arizona, Maricopa, and Pinal.
So far,
Area room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: in Arizona, Maricopa, and Pinal.
de la red, ahí mira. A chance for these women to book a spot in the final.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near 11 miles south of Freeman, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chandler, Casa Grande, Florence, Coolidge, Sun Lakes, Maricopa, Queen Creek, Arizona City, La Palma, Bighorn, Santan Valley, Seville, Florence Junction, Queen Valley, and Batpool. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 8 between mile markers 132 and 178. Plus Highway 60 between mile markers 209 and 214. Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 124 and 160. Arizona Route 238 between mile markers 39 and 44. Arizona Route 79 between mile markers 129 and 150. Arizona Route 347 between mile markers 161 and 180. This includes Arizona Interstate 10 between 169 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: in Arizona, Maricopa, and Pinal.
Makes her way on the bike for 4 kilometers as we make our first.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: in Arizona, Maricopa, and Pinal.
Es una jugada que puede meter al Marsella en el partido.
No, apparently not. And Lynn is
South Central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:14 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a wall of dust was along a line extending from near Florence Junction to Queen Creek to near Sun Lakes to near Maricopa, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 8 between mile markers 143 and 178. Plus Highway 60 between mile markers 176 and 213. Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 124 and 172. Arizona Route 202 between mile markers 26 and 55. Arizona Route 101 between mile markers 55 and 61. Arizona Route 238 between mile markers 31 and 44. Arizona Route 79 between mile markers 129 and 150. Arizona Route 347 between mile markers 161 and 189. This includes Arizona Interstate 10 between 157 and 204. Locations impacted include Mesa, Chandler, Gilbert, Tempe, Casa Grande, Apache Junction, Florence, Coolidge, East Mesa, Gold Canyon, Sun Lakes, Maricopa, Queen Creek, Arizona City, and Gold Camp. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. Arizona City and Gold Camp. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible.
Tres en el camino, el cambio de frente de Rongiera.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, San Bernardino County in southern California, south central Clark County in southern Nevada until 4:45 a.m. Mountain Standard Time or 4:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:38 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 1:38 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across a large part of central Mojave County. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bullhead City, Kingman, Laughlin, Catherine Landing, Yucca, Topog, Golden Valley, Chloride, Windy Point Campground, New Kingman Butler, Pack Saddle Campground, Oatman, Dolman Springs, Hualapari Mountain Park, Wild Cow Campground, DW Ranch Road, Mesquite Creek, Mojave Ranch Estates, Mojave Valley and Cottonwood Cove. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
They end up with £270 and 84p. Sharon and James, who began with the same sum, made a much smaller loss after costs of £17 and 92p, so they are